Hello everyone, welcome back to Forever Salon. Today we're diving into the luxurious world of hair spas, what they are, how they work, and why they're a game changer for your hair health. If you want to know the secrets to silky, smooth, and healthy hair, stick around. First, your stylist will analyze your hair and scalp. This step is crucial to identify your hair type and any specific issues like dryness, dandruff, or hair fall. Based on this, they'll recommend the best products for your treatment. That's Mint, our fabulous hairstylist that you all know. I'll link her socials down below. And this is Jay Patti, the owner of the salon, who realizes he's in the frame of a YouTube video and smoothly goes out. Next is oiling the hair, a step that is often overlooked but incredibly beneficial. Warm, nourishing oils like coconut, argan, or almond oil are gently massaged into your scalp and hair. This helps moisturize the scalp, reduce dryness, and strengthen the hair from root to tip. It also improves blood circulation and prepares your hair for the next steps. While the oil works its magic, you get a relaxing scalp massage. This isn't just about feeling good. The massage stimulates blood circulation to your scalp, which promotes hair growth and ensures better absorption of the oil. Let me walk you through some benefits of hair spa. 1. It restores moisture, perfect for dry and damaged hair. 2. Improves scalp health, reduces dandruff and itching. 3. Strengthens hair, repairs split ends and minimizes breakage. 4. Promotes hair growth, boosts blood circulation to the scalp. 5. Adds shine, leaves your hair soft, shiny and full of life. A hair spa is a rejuvenating treatment designed to nourish, repair and strengthen your hair and scalp. It's the ultimate TLC your hair deserves, especially if it's been exposed to pollution, heating, styling or any other chemical treatments. Next up is cleansing. Your hair is washed with a mild sulfate-free shampoo to remove dirt, oil and product buildup. Clean hair is essential to allow the spa treatment to work its magic. Now it's time for the star of the show, deep conditioning. A rich hair mask is applied focusing on the lengths and the tips of your hair. This mask is packed with nutrients to hydrate and repair damage. Your stylist will often massage this into your hair for even distribution. After the massage, a steam machine is used to open up the hair cuticles and scalp pores. This allows the mask to penetrate deeply, providing intense hydration and nourishment. The steam treatments last for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the treatment is complete, your hair is rinsed thoroughly with lukewarm water to lock in the moisture. Depending on your preference, you can either air dry your hair or have it blow dried for a sleek finish. The client wanted to get her hair blow dried, so here we are blow drying her hair. And look at this, her hair looks so much more nourished, healthier, silky and softer. Book your hair spa now at Forever Salon. See you next time.